My name is Phoebe Bevins, daughter of Pam and Frank Bevins, and I went to Portal Elementary School. This is my second year in athletic training, and after high school I plan on going to Northeast Community College and studying psychology.
My name is Brooklyn Brighton. My parents are Leanne and Gary Brighton. I went to Portal Elementary School. I've been in athletic training for 2 years. My college is undecided, but I plan to major in nursing.
My name is Elle Hahn. My parents are Matt and Jenny Hahn. I went to Hickory Hill Elementary School. I've been in Athletic Training Academy for 2 years, and my future plans are to go to college and major in exercise science.
My name is Lucy Hall. My parents are Joshua Hall and Robin Rose. I attended Trainer Elementary School, and this is my first year in athletic training. And after high school, I plan on attending the University of South Dakota to study photography and sports management.
My name is Emily Liberto. My mom is Diana Liberto. I went to La-Vista West Elementary School. I'm in my second year of Athletic Training Academy, and my future plans are to go to UNO and major in athletic training.
My name is Ariana Long. My parents are Cynthia and Deshawn Long. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary School. I've been in athletic training for 2 years, and my future plans are to go to University of South Dakota and major in biology.
My name is Jim Mache. My parents are Letitia and Stephen Mache. I went to G. Stanley Hall Elementary School. This is my first year in the academy, and I'm going to attend Concordia University with an athletic scholarship in baseball.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Salinas, daughter of Lily and Arturo Salinas. I attended the elementary of Parkview Heights, and I've been in athletic training for 1 year, and I plan on attending the University of Nebraska-Lincoln and majoring in secondary education.
Hi, my name is Brooklyn Holloway. My parents are Mike and Lynette Holloway. I went to Rumsey Station Elementary School. I'm a forward, and I plan on studying interior design and business at Liberty University.
Hi, my name is Mia Slazinski. My parents are Julie and TJ Slazinski. I went to Portal Elementary. I'm a forward, and after high school, I am attending University of Nebraska-Lincoln to study business.
Hi, my name is Sophia Bima. My parents are Joe and Christine Bima. I went to Union Chapel Elementary School in Parkville, Missouri. This is my first year on the bowling team, and I plan on majoring in biophysics on a pre-med track.
My name is Jake Franks. My parents are Renee and Gary Franks. My elementary school is Hickory Hill Elementary. I have played 2 years on the bowling team, and my plans after high school, I will be playing baseball at the Milwaukee School of Engineering.
My name is Solana Gibson Martinez. My parents are Aaron Gibson Martinez and Rich Martinez. I went to St. Gerald's Catholic School. I've been on the team for 2 years, and I plan to go to UNO to double major in pre-medicine and journalism.
My name is Alex Gryzanowski. My parents are Jim and Violet Gryzanowski. I went to Rumsey Station Elementary School, and I've been on the bowling team for 3 years. In college, I plan to major in journalism.
My name is Zach Kaluza. My parents are Jennifer and Scott Kaluza. I went to Caron Western Elementary School as well as G. Stanley Hall. I'm a rookie on this team, and I plan on going to Lincoln for marketing.
Hello, my name is Easton Kinsey. My parents are Jennifer and Jeremy Kinsey. I went to the Portal Elementary. This is my second year on the team, and I plan on going to college for civil engineering with a minor in dance.
Hi, my name is Meredith Kohler. My parents are Dave and Leanne Kohler, and I went to Hickory Hill Elementary School. This is my 3rd year on the bowling team, and my post-high school plans are to attend the University of Nebraska at Lincoln and major in film and media production.
Hello, my name is Colby Wallace. My parents are Russ and Christy Wallace. I attended Rumsey Station Elementary School. This is my third year on the bowling team, and after high school I plan on attending the United States Air Force Academy to study aerospace engineering.
Hi, my name is Parker Wolf. I went to Portal Elementary. I'm the son of Patrick and Christine Wolf. I've been bowling on the team for 3 years, and after high school I'm planning on majoring in music.
My name is Vito. My parents' names are Kundu and Nekwing. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary School. I've been on the bowling team for 4 years, and after I graduate from high school, I'm going to young adult program.
My name is Jacob Campbell. My parents are Scott and Kathy Campbell. I went to Rumsey Station Elementary. I wrestle at 113. My post-high school plans is to wrestle in college and major in architectural engineering.
My name is Tyler Durden. My parents are Matt and Samantha Durden. I went to Walnut Creek Elementary. My weight class is 113 pounds, and after high school, I want to go to college and major in business.
My name is Ronald Greer. My parents are Patrick Greer and Aaron Stewart. I went to Pearl Stallers Elementary. I'm wrestling at 126, and I plan to major in biology after high school.
My name is Colton Hagan. My parents are Wendy Labadie and Jeff Hagan. I went to Portal Elementary and then Prairie Queen Elementary. I'm in the 182-pound weight class, and after high school I plan on going to college. Not sure what major yet.
My name is Drew Kirk. My parents are Doug and Cinda Kirk. I went to Portal Elementary. My weight class is 145 pounds, and after high school, I plan to attend UNL for construction management.
Hi, my name is Alex Morris. My parents are April and Mike. I went to Hickory Hill Elementary, and I plan on wrestling 220 this year for my senior year, and then going to South Dakota State University for aviation education after high school.
My name is Jace Wheeler. My parents are Sherry Wheeler and Brian Wheeler. I went to Prairie Queen Elementary. I wrestled 285, and I'm going to Black Hills State University.
I'm Jordan Beckner. I'm the daughter of Jill Fitzgerald. I'm wrestling 130. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary School, and I'm undecided for college.
Hi, my name is Annalise. My parents are Jennifer Dieter, and my grandparents are Sue and Dave Dieter. And I went to Hickory Hill Elementary, and I'm a wrestling manager. I plan to go to Clarkson after high school and get my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing.
My name is Kristen Lee. I'm the daughter of John and Joy Lee. I will be wrestling at 155s. I went to Rumsey Station Elementary, and my post-high school plans are to attend the University of Michigan and to study neuroscience.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Salinas, daughter of Lily and Arturo Salinas. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary, and I'm a wrestling manager. I plan on attending the University of Nebraska-Lincoln to major in psychology.